Have you ever wondered why the world getting hotter and hotter every day, heavier snowfalls, and hotter summer every year? So this is what we call climate change. Climate change is happening now. It is not a prediction. It is not a rhetoric, but it happens now. So what have you done lately to mitigate the climate change and prevent the global warming? I'm Dr. Rozzeta Dolah, the founder of Naglas Industri Sdn Bhd. We will help you with the innovation of MIZU paint, a paint, an ultra-cool paint, and also carbon absorbent paint that can help us to mitigate the climate change. MIZU paint works with two mechanisms. The first one is as heat reflector paint, which actually prevent the solar reflectance from penetrating into the building. And second one is as a carbon dioxide absorbent paint. So these two mechanisms are very important to make sure that first, the temperature inside a building is being reduced, thus saving the energy, especially in the air conditioning system usage. And second one, to ensure that the carbon dioxide amount in the atmosphere being eliminated and being cut down to a certain number, thus help to mitigate the climate change and prevent the global warming. The technology of MIZU paint, we proudly present to you with multiple size of paint pail, which is 1 liter, 5 liter, 50 liter, and 80 liters. So these two mechanisms, the cooling and also the carbon absorbent, we make it in such a way that different range of type of paints. For example, the cooling paint works with the exterior paint, with the interior paint, with the flooring, with the roof, the waterproof roof, and not to forget the sports floor. While for the road lines or road marker, we also have the series of road marking paint, which actually can absorb the carbon dioxide directly from the vehicle's emission. And also our MIZU paint road marker has a very fast drying time, less than 20 minutes. And also the appearance of the road marker paint we have in two types, which is the reflective type of paint and also non-reflective type of paint. So this will further enhance the safety of the road user by getting the reflective material from our MIZU paint. For our carbon absorbent paint, we send the sample to the research laboratory, which is certified by Eco Passport Lab, and it shows that the range of MIZU paint, starting from exterior, interior, road marker, and other types of paint, we have certain number of carbon dioxide elimination in grams per 10 meter square area per year. So for example, for road marker paint, we have a range from 300 to 400 kg of carbon dioxide being absorbed in 10 meter square area per year. For exterior paint and other types of paint, when we add up all the amounts, we have an average of approximately 235 kilogram of carbon dioxide being absorbed in 10 meter square area of painted by MIZU paint in a year. With this outstanding innovation by Naglas Industri Sdn Bhd with MIZU paint, we have won several accolades and winning awards such as L'Oreal UNESCO for Women in Science 2020, Eco Business A-List Awards for Asia Pacific 2022, Special Awards from Croatia 2020, the Best Award Invention and Innovation Awards at Malaysia Technology Expo 2020, Gold Award Invention and Innovation Awards at MTE 2020, Sustainable Development Goals International Innovation Awards MTE 2021, and also Outstanding Innovation Award MTE 2021, and many awards that we won after that. MIZU paint available in multiple size of pail, so we have 1 liter, 5 liter, 50 liter, and also 80 liters. And the solution of MIZU paint align perfectly with the Sustainable Development Goals, SDG 13 for climate action, and also SDG 7 for affordable and clean energy. Not to forget, most important thing, for the ESG, environmental, social, and governance, it really helps the organization to be aligned with the ESG for carbon offset, carbon trading, and carbon taxing. So this technology also that we have in MIZU paint already being verified and certified by Nano Verified, which actually proves the product is really genuinely nanotechnology driven and with the particle size of a single digit nanometer, of course less than 100 nanometer, and also it's a patented nanotechnology. This Liveability Challenge 2024 is very important for us to make sure that MIZU paint a success in commercialization. So the contents of the Liveability Challenge 2024 will cover from the first stage of making it a huge impact to the environment, from scratch up to documentation of ESG to make sure that the deliverables to enhance and help the organization and monitoring of the carbon dioxide being executed successfully. So from the technology itself, the creation of the paint, step up to a commercialization into the market, a successful effort to make sure that it is being applied by the industries, and further channeling down the ESG to the organizations, including the compilation of the reports to ensure that the organization successfully carry the ESG efforts using MIZU paint, getting the carbon offset, carbon trading and carbon taxing. So we will cover the holistic approach of the whole package into this Liveability Challenge 2024. So the contents will cover the first stage, which is technology and innovation confirmation, which provide the research report outlining all the findings, the methodologies, the results of the investigation into firming the carbon dioxide absorption and temperature reduction. And the production planning for full commercialization also be included, which cover the whole paint homogeneity, composition blending machines and color blending of the paint itself. And then the second step, the framework alignment. This will cover the technical specification and parameters, and also the technical specification and parameters of the synthesized framework to ensure that it is being channeled out to the commercialization stage. And step 3, understanding what is right for this innovation, which includes the carbon dioxide device and equipment setup documentation, which is entailing a comprehensive documentation detailing the setup process for the carbon dioxide devices and equipment. And step number 4, to identify the market trends. So the whole market research report, intensive market research report will be done, and to provide a comprehensive report detailing the current market trends relevant to the industry or sector under consideration. Step 5 and 6 cover the examination of ESG metrics and its impact and system creation, which includes the ESG reporting framework. So this framework is very important for ESG reporting and disclosure, including the key performance indicators in line with reporting the standards, for example, the GRI, the SEDG, the BEI World Energy Index, and also the Green Building Index. Stage number 7, identify the tools and best practices for ESG metrics. So this ESG best practice guide is a compilation of best practice guide highlighting industry-leading approach, strategies and case studies for integrating the carbon offset, taxing and trading into ESG matrices. Number 8, ESG report preparation with the real clients and companies. It covers the stakeholder engagement summary and also the summary of the stakeholder engagement activities conducted with the client or company, including the key findings, insights and feedback regarding the ESG performance and reporting all the priorities. So finally, it will end up with the final Liveability Challenges report, and we will ensure that the execution will be a successful one in the industry and also the whole stakeholders in the ecosystems. So in this grant also, we listed the budget and also the financial planning, which covers the non-dispersive infrared and DIR gas analyzers. So these are some of the expenses in the grant, which is we feel that this is very important to make sure that the execution can be done throughout the grant process. And as we can see here, the pressure flow meters, the multi-channel data loggers, the simulation software, the color blending machine, the tinting machine for paint composition mixture, the biomass nanoparticle extraction reactor, the nanoparticle refinery torrefaction reactor, carbon dioxide sensors and cloud system, and also not to forget the effect of the carbon reflectance, the heat reflective index, the system for the whole ecosystem, which affecting the thermal comfort and also the heat island mitigation system. So these are parts of the hardware and software that we will be implemented in the project. But the complete listing will be available in the grant proposal. So these are the testimonial we have with the companies using MIZU Paint, the proof of concept that we have been doing with some of the industries, the stakeholders. But in this Liveability Challenge 2024, we really look forward to have a bigger volume, to have a mass commercialization, to ensure that we can help the world to be a greener and safer place to live in. And we can see next in the this slide, we asked for Singapore dollars 750,000, and we believe that this will be giving us a huge impact towards a better approach to mitigate the climate change. And together we make it happen, together with MIZU Paint, together with Industri Sdn Bhd and the whole world, to ensure that the carbon dioxide emission being reduced and further we cooler the world, and we mitigate the climate change together. And this is what we ask for this Liveability Challenge 2024. And here is the team. I'm the founder for this company and also the innovator behind the MIZU Paint, and my CFO, CTO and also COO, all of us working towards very closely and put our hard effort to make sure that the commercialization not only strong in R&D, but also commercialization process being carried out successfully together with the Liveability Challenge 2024 funding. Yep, thank you.